Hey, what's going on, YouTube? I just want to tell y'all real quick that we have age verified CPNs. They're fully tri-merged. We do all the public records. We take care of all of the credit and everything for them, so that way you don't have to apply for nothing. Everything kind of comes pre-screened through the mail. So that way you don't have to rack up unnecessary inquiries and everything and, mess your credit file up. All the numbers that we have are age verified. We got links down below. You can check out some of the other videos. You can contact me as well. We have a lot of other services. We do a lot of documentation, which you guys will see shortly here in the video. We got stubs. We do, I gotta say novelty, but we do all kind of documents, GEDs. So you can pretty much guarantee that everything is going to be legit and it's going to work. Now this number here, you can see it's no good, it doesn't match. You can rewind the videos if you need to. I'm gonna go through this kind of quick, but that number there is no good. Now here's a good one. Now this one here, this is my real one, and you can compare this to one of the old videos that I did when I did the LexisNexis report. And again, you can always rewind and pause it or whatever, but that's my real one right here. Now this one is the one I did the video on that you guys seen before, and it worked out pretty good. You guys seen the credit on it and everything else, and I haven't had any problems. I showed you guys even the approvals on it, and then everything else worked out. Um, just to recap a little bit, we always get approved. We do it by mail. That way you don't have to sit here and keep applying for stuff, guessing, trying to figure out what's going on, and end up messing up everything, after you put your trade lines on there. The officers start coming, usually about within 2 weeks. Um, you'll get pretty good limits as long as you add, some good trade lines on there. There's a lot of them out there. We still have some that post. Again, there's links in the description, so you can go and see some of the other videos as well that show you the proof that we upload lines. We do documents. They're very good. This is one of them here. I did this for a young lady. I had to blur it out a little bit, and I even mailed it off for her. So that's not a issue. So if you need those kind of services, you can reach me. Here's a few more. That's a novelty document there. And now here's the back of it as well. You can get that digital or hard. Same thing with these. It's not a big deal. We can do this. We can have them mailed out to you or shipped wherever you want to. Usually takes us a day or two, depending on our workload. We do stubs and everything else. So I just want you guys to know, if you need my help, just let me know. I'm here. And as always, if they can't prove it, it ain't real. So until the next video, I wish you guys the best success. Please like the video, subscribe, and share. Peace.